Are you yearning to embark on a culinary journey with your Philips air fryer, exploring new and delectable recipes? If so, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're going to unlock the versatility of this little kitchen wonder, the Philips air fryer. This isn't just a fryer, my friends. It's a grill, a baker, a roaster, even a reheater. It's your passport to a world of mouth-watering meals. Now, let's talk benefits. Cooking with an air fryer isn't just about convenience, though it certainly scores high on that front. It's about embracing a healthier way of eating. Imagine savoring your favorite fried foods with up to 80% less fat. Yes, you heard that right, 80%. That's the magic of rapid air technology that the Philips air fryer employs. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as we delve into these flavorful recipes. Today, we're cooking up a storm, 20 Philips air fryer recipes to be precise. So shall we begin? Ever dreamt of cooking up a batch of sweet potato fries that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside? Well, with the Philips air fryer, that dream can become a delicious reality. Let's dive right into it. Start by selecting 2 large sweet potatoes. Wash them thoroughly, dry them, and cut them into 1/4-inch thick fries. There's no need to peel them. The skin adds a lovely texture and is packed with nutrients. Next, in a large bowl, toss your sweet potato fries with a bit of olive oil. You'll want just enough to lightly coat the fries. This isn't deep frying after all. It's air frying. Now, for the spices. A simple mix of salt and pepper will do, but why not elevate your fries with a dash of cayenne pepper, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a hint of smoked paprika? Toss the fries until they're well coated. Once your fries are seasoned, it's time to arrange them in the air fryer basket. Make sure they're in a single layer with a little space between each fry. This will ensure they cook evenly and come out perfectly crispy. Now, set your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, let the air fryer work its magic for 10 to 12 minutes. Halfway through, give the fries a good shake to make sure all sides get that crispy golden finish. While the fries are cooking, why not whip up a quick dipping sauce? Combine a dollop of mayonnaise with a squirt of ketchup, a squeeze of lime, and a pinch of chili powder. Mix it all together, and you've got a tangy, sweet, and spicy sauce that pairs perfectly with your fries. And there you have it. Once the air fryer beeps, it's time to enjoy your spiced sweet potato fries. They're crispy, flavorful, and made with less oil than traditional fries. Serve them hot with your homemade dipping sauce and enjoy the perfect balance of sweet, salty, and spicy in every bite. And there you have it, mouth-watering sweet potato fries ready in minutes. Craving crispy fried chicken that's moist and tender on the inside? The Philips air fryer can deliver just that with less oil and fuss. Let's start with the chicken. For this recipe, we'll need 8 pieces of chicken. This could be a mix of drumsticks, thighs, and wings, whatever you prefer. Now, the secret to our crispy exterior is the buttermilk soak. Immerse your chicken pieces in buttermilk for at least 1 hour, but for the best results, leave it overnight. This process tenderizes the meat and infuses it with a subtle tanginess that's simply irresistible. While our chicken is soaking, let's move on to the seasoning. We have a blend of 11 herbs and spices. We'll need a mix of flour, salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, oregano, celery salt, dried mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, and a dash of cayenne pepper for that sneaky heat. Whisk them together in a shallow dish until they're well combined. Once our chicken has had its beauty rest in the buttermilk, it's time to introduce it to our spice mix. Roll each piece in the flour mixture until it's thoroughly coated. Don't be afraid to press the flour into the chicken to ensure it sticks. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, our Philips air fryer. Preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius. While it's warming up, let's arrange our chicken pieces in the fryer basket. Make sure not to overcrowd the basket. We want each piece to have its own space to ensure even cooking. Slide the basket into the preheated air fryer and set the timer for 25 minutes. Halfway through, turn the chicken pieces to ensure they're evenly cooked and crispy all over. Once the timer goes off, remove the basket and let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes to lock in those delicious juices. And there you have it, crispy, succulent fried chicken, all done in the air fryer with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. Savor the crunch and flavor of your homemade fried chicken. For those with a sweet tooth, are you ready to whip up some fluffy and delicious donuts? These are not your ordinary donuts. We're giving them a healthier twist by using our trusty Philips air fryer. Let's dive in. The first step, as with any donut recipe, is to prepare the dough. Start by dissolving a bit of yeast in warm milk. Once it's frothy, add in a beaten egg, softened butter, sugar, salt and vanilla extract for that classic donut flavour. Gradually mix in the flour until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead it until it's smooth and elastic. Then set it aside to rise until it's doubled in size. Now here's the fun part. Once your dough is ready, roll it out to about ½ an inch thick. Cut out your donuts using a donut cutter or a pair of round biscuit cutters. Don't forget to save those donut holes, they're just as delicious. Before we pop them into the air fryer, remember to preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius. Arrange your donuts in the air fryer basket, giving them enough room to expand. Cook them for about 4 to 6 minutes or until they're golden brown and fully cooked through. While your donuts are cooling, it's time to prepare the glaze. You have a world of options here. Classic sugar glaze, decadent chocolate, zesty lemon, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Whatever you choose, just mix your ingredients together until smooth, then dip your cool donuts into the glaze, making sure they're thoroughly coated. And there you have it. In less than an hour, you've created fluffy, golden donuts that are not only delicious, but also a healthier alternative to the deep-fried variety. They're perfect for breakfast, dessert, or even just a snack when the craving hits. Enjoy your freshly baked donuts, a delightful treat for any occasion. Scene script. How about a perfectly toasted grilled cheese sandwich, oozing with melted cheese? Indeed, there's something about the classic grilled cheese sandwich that brings back memories of simpler times. It's a quick, easy, and comforting dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. And today we're going to elevate the classic grilled cheese sandwich using our Philips air fryer. First, let's talk about the bread. You can use any type of bread you fancy, but for the best results, consider using a sturdy artisan-style bread. Sourdough, rye, or a hearty whole grain bread are all excellent choices. They hold up well to the heat of the air fryer and provide a delicious, toasty crunch. When it comes to cheese, the world is your oyster. Cheddar is a classic choice with its sharp flavour and excellent melting properties. Swiss, provolone or mozzarella are also great options. Or, for a gourmet touch, try a combination of Gruyere and Fontina. The key is to use a cheese that melts well. To prepare our grilled cheese, we'll start by buttering one side of each slice of bread. Then we'll layer our chosen cheese between the unbuttered sides of the bread. Place the sandwich in the air fryer basket, buttered side up, and set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the magic happens. The air fryer circulates hot air around the sandwich, toasting the bread to a golden brown and melting the cheese to gooey perfection. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes for the first side. Then flip the sandwich and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until both sides are perfectly toasted. Once done, let the sandwich rest for a minute or two before cutting into it. This allows the cheese to set a bit, making for a neater, more enjoyable eating experience. Savour the simplicity and comfort of a perfectly made grilled cheese sandwich. The Philips air fryer doesn't just cook food, it brings out the best in every dish, turning ordinary ingredients into extraordinary meals. So, why not give this grilled cheese sandwich a try? You might just find a new favourite way to enjoy this classic comfort food. Looking for a healthy and delicious dinner option? How about the perfectly cooked salmon fillet? Let's dive right in, shall we? Preparing a salmon fillet in the Philips air fryer is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and the result is a succulent, flavourful dish that's bound to impress. To start, you'll need a fresh salmon fillet, of course. Make sure it's been patted dry to ensure a crispy exterior. Now, onto the seasoning. A simple mix of salt and pepper works wonders, but if you're feeling a bit adventurous, a blend of garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will elevate the salmon's natural flavour to new heights. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It's all about creating a depth of flavour here. Once your salmon fillet is seasoned to your liking, it's time to preheat your air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Preheating is an important step as it ensures the salmon cooks evenly. Now, gently place your seasoned salmon fillet skin side down into the air fryer basket. Be careful not to overcrowd the basket. Remember, the air fryer uses hot air to cook the food, so it's important to allow room for the air to circulate. Set the timer for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep in mind, the thickness of your fillet will affect the cooking time. A thicker fillet may require a minute or two longer. While the salmon is cooking, you can prepare a side dish, or perhaps whip up a quick sauce. A creamy dill sauce or a tangy lemon butter sauce pairs beautifully with salmon. When the timer goes off, remove the basket and let the salmon rest for a minute or two. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a moist and tender fillet. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked salmon fillet, crispy on the outside, moist and tender on the inside. Enjoy your succulent and flavorful salmon fillet, a testament to the versatility of your air fryer. As we wrap up our culinary adventure with the Philips air fryer, we hope you found these recipes both exciting and easy to follow. From the zesty spiced sweet potato fries to the mouth-watering crispy fried chicken, each recipe is a testament to the versatility of our trusty air fryer, not forgetting the delightful Airfryer Donuts, perfect for a sweet treat after a hearty meal. And who could resist the classic comfort of a grilled cheese sandwich, made even more delicious with a golden, crispy exterior? Finally, we explored the delicate art of cooking a salmon fillet, demonstrating that even gourmet dishes can be achieved with this remarkable appliance. Each recipe a symphony of flavors brought to life with the Philips air fryer. So, don't wait. Start cooking with your Philips air fryer today and discover a world of flavorful possibilities.